You see there's my tent in the back. And all around, it was a beautiful night. This is the bed of the Rio Copiapo. And there in the back is the Pacific. Nothing else here. And look, I'm here with a little puppy in the middle of nowhere. So today we're gonna make, it's a rescue day. I'm gonna rescue the little dog and bring it to the next town. I don't know how I'm gonna transport her on the bike because I don't really have a lot of space. And I think I gotta put it in my jacket, or well, I'm gonna see later how I'm gonna do it. It's gonna be a bit rough in the off-roading. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but well, I got a whole day, so well, it's rescue day. I'm gonna find a nice safe home for this little one. Huh? Hey, Yoli, hola. Oh, she found the right human. This is a rough road. Bunch of cuteness here. Well, as I told you, she yesterday showed up in the setting up tent. As you see, it was quite windy, and yeah, when I came back to the tent, she suddenly sat in that corner here, and yeah, isn't she a cutie? Yeah, and we're in the middle of the desert. Someone must have set her out here, and when I mean, like, it's unbelievable that the little baby is still alive. And there's so many vultures and birds of prey around. So yeah, so I think today I'm gonna pack her. I don't have any space on my motorcycle, but today I'm gonna pack her inside my jacket and bring her to the next town, to a veterinary clinic, and to look after her that she's safe. Because we're in the middle of the desert. I mean, this is like 40 kilometers to the next town, and there is nothing around. I showed you. This is yeah. And suddenly she was sitting in the corner, looking for shelter of the wind. So today we're gonna look to find her a nice home. Oh. Such a cutie. Yo. Oh, it warms my heart. That's such a cute one. Huh? Ja, zumindest kriegst du Würste. Ja, schau.
Muy cerca y tan lejos,
Du noch Hunger
te
hast du.
veo en mi reflejo. Yo también estuve ahí. Tan cerca estás de mí.
Sweetie, what are we going to do with you? Yeah, today we bring you to the next animal shelter in the next city. So you're gonna survive a little thing out here in the desert.
Cerca y tan lejos. Muy cerca y tan lejos. Nunca desafiaste a lo establecido, llena de sueños interrumpidos. Un día los dejaste.
Okay, slowly going back. You like it? Okay.
Muy cerca y tan lejos, te veo en mi reflejo. Yo también estuve ahí. Tan cerca estás de mí, porque me veo en ti y nos veo sonreír. Muy cerca y tan lejos, muy cerca y tan lejos. Nunca desafiaste a lo establecido, llena de sueños interrumpidos. Un día los dejaste ir. Ellas me recuerdan todo lo vivido, todo aquello que construiste, todo eso por lo que fuiste. Muy cerca y tan lejos, muy cerca y tan lejos.
Tierra. By the clinic, the veterinarian clinic. Hola, hola. ¿Dónde es este clínico de veterinario?
En la esquina, hacia allá,
Ah, ok, bueno.
por el lado de allá, por el hacia arriba. Tú llegas a esta esquina y giras, hay una casita.
Ah, ok.
por enfrente. Ay,
Cuidado. Hola, hola. Esto es de clean acá. Ok, bueno. Ah. Ah, chico. Cuidado. Qué bueno. Opa. So. So, schau, jetzt sitzt sie mal daher. Gell? Bueno. Querida. Hast du gut gemacht. Hast du gut gemacht. Ja, hast du gut gemacht. So, und jetzt schauen wir Platz für dich zu finden. Ne? Bueno. Yeah, a good end to the story. This is the veterinarian clinic here in oh, I forgot the name. Caldera. There we go. Ta-ta. Yeah, and they will take care about the little one. good ending to the story. And I'm gonna find myself a coffee now and have a coffee. Yeah, well, I just came from the veterinarian clinic in Caldera, and I wrote them yesterday a message that I found a dog in the middle of the desert, and they were already waiting for me and for us to come and talk to the lady. They said there are a lot of stray dogs around, but they will take care of her and find a nice spot. So everything well in the end, and the little one is alive. She made her first motorcycle ride for 40 kilometers through the desert. Oh, my heart is a little bit broken because I would love to take the little one with me, but there's just no space on my motorcycle, and it's oh well, anyway, a bit heartbroken, but at least she can live now and is safe, and they're gonna find a good place for the little one. And yeah, and I head on, and yeah, I think I will think about her a lot.
Vos y yo yendo despacio, caminando paso a paso.